Hello, this is Ijaz and you are watching GXWM. Today I am going to discuss you a very beautiful method in which you can easily extract color from any image, and you can also create palettes, custom palettes in fact, and add custom colors to palettes, delete colors and manage. So let's start. This is a picture which I have downloaded from Google. Okay, I am going to extract colors, maximum colors I am going to extract, and minimum color I can extract from this image. So how we can extract colors from any image? Let's check the method. Click on Windows, Color Palettes, create color palettes from selection from document. You will click create palettes from selection, and first we have to save this palette. For practice purpose I have saved this. I will replace our second one. Click save button. My new palette has been saved. It have 10 color combination from every aspects of this image. You can see here. If I click on OK, I can see nothing happen on screen. If I want to see this palette on a screen, I will simply click on Window, Color Palettes, and I will click, or I will open Color Palettes and click on Open. Now I can see this is my newly created palette. Most recently palettes display here. You can see here. If I click on this check, my old one palette removed. Now little talk about color harmonies and color style. So how we do that? I'm going to click on Window, Duckers, and click on Color Style. Shortcut also appear here. You can see Control F6. Here's my colors. Okay. If I click on this image and drag and drop here, maximum color I can feel here, as I created colors from custom palettes. If I click on OK, my newly made colors are here. If I am going to create a color harmony like this, I have an object. I'm going to create object. This is my object, and this is a color like red. I click on it and drag here. It is a harmony. You can see I need fill color and outline color also. I click OK. My color harmony, you can see here. I have two colors, black and red. Actually these colors are live colors. I can change live these colors. How I can change this color live? You can see if I click on this red circle and drag to another position, you can see color lively change from this point and here. From every point color changing like this. If I click black one and I click on red, you can see. So this is a different. This is a fill one and this is a outline color. You can see. This is a mechanism how we can create color light or darkness here. You can see. This is a method. I can also add another color. Double click on it. I can see three colors are here. If I use this color on this object, I can also change this. You can see, you can feel here. This is my harmony. Harmony like this collection of the colors, color outlines, color fill colors, and much more. I click on it. You can see red color, sorry, white, sorry, black color fill in the object. You can examine. So in this way, we use color harmonies, we use color palettes, and we can extract colors from any image, and we can create palettes that colors I have recently used in my document. There are 1 2 3 4 colors. If I click on Windows, color palettes, create color from document, I'm click on this and save document color, click save button. You can see this is also extra color from my documents. I'm going to set. If I click on this side and darker, sorry, on color, and I can create colors. I can also edit colors like this. If I click on this and edit color, I can change this color. Click on this mixer. Okay. In this way, I can change colors. Okay. In this way, I am going to drag this image here. In this way, there is another option which is color, darker, and color. Here I can change color, and then sorry, I will create an object first, and you can see outline. You can see this is my outline color, so this here is my color. Fill outline. In this way, you can easily check. If I want some adjustment, so I will click on it. In this way, if I want to select a specific color like this, you can fill. If I am going to change this color with preview, I will press G key on a keyboard, or click interactive fill tool here, you can see, and click on this rectangle. You can see I am color options, so I am going to drag this image from this side, so zoom out, click on this. You can easily see a difference. Click on this G numbers. You can see if I click this side, you can see the difference. And I can also drag this color to there, so we can click add to custom spot, click on it. Here you can see here, and this way we create colors, and we add these colors to palettes. So bye bye.